See, this was 传统中式麻辣烫，成都冷锅。Okay, Sichuan style, a personal hot pot. Of course, can't survive the pandemic. But let's check out this business. These things will not work in the winter. Chinese style bakery. Let's do this one. Fish. 係攞杯熱奶茶唔該。
不好意思，
哦，沒關係，熱奶茶。
热奶茶糖奶都要吗？
就這樣，還有這個。4.5。4.5 OK。Outdoor dining. I don't think I'll find a spot like that. So let's walk up this way and maybe find a park and just sit down and drink this and eat this. Now, you may hear me speaking Cantonese in the beginning, and then suddenly the guy was like, the girl was like, doesn't understand. Yeah, so normally in the bakeries operated by people who speak Cantonese in some ways, because this style of bakery originally came from Hong Kong, so as a result, most of the people who opened a bakery like that in the beginning were Cantonese. They spoke Cantonese. But looks like this girl was probably hired and doesn't speak Cantonese, and I had to switch to Mandarin, which is just fine. I speak both fluently. No problems there. I'm drinking it already. Oh, don't back up on us. Don't back up on me, man. Come on. I don't want to be the first New York City YouTuber just got run over by backing up cars with its drivers. That would not be cool. Hey, how about the park right across this block over here? I can pass this area. Now this is the back of somebody's 2 rows of houses, and this is considered a backyard with a driveway all the way through it. And you can see that there's no repaving of this driveway at all. Disposed mattress. Oh, that hits the spot. That hits the spot. Anyways, yeah, this man has the same idea. Wonderful. Yeah, so you can see that just walk from somebody's backyard, and oh wow, look at that. This is actually the stove of those in Chinese restaurants. Many Chinese restaurants have a stove that looks like this. This is the bottom side of it. Normally it's covered by a sheet of metal on top, but the stove, I don't know the terms for all the kitchen terms for all that, but the stove, the portion of the stove where the gas comes out, The nozzle is inside that round hole, and then the exhaust gas just comes out from the back and go up. It looks very interesting. This is the underside of a commercial Chinese restaurant stoves. I've never seen that. I mean, for my nearly a decade of experience in Asian restaurants, never seen the bottom side of that thing. May not be interesting to you, but definitely to me. Still working. I wonder if this car is still drivable. There are these new buildings with extra floors. Look at that. You have 4 floors above ground, and then these are definitely older ones with only 2 floors above. These are probably more old but still recent compared to this one here with only 1 floor above. So what this means is that in this block, some kind of zoning rule has changed to go from having a single family house or 2-family house into these multi-unit buildings. So just showing the transition of the area from as it grows in population. I'll tell you that these are probably the tallest building I've seen in Flushing. Like I'm looking at this, it's like I can count at least 20 floors, and that's before the newer buildings at Skyview, the Skyview Center, which is down in College Point Boulevard and Roosevelt Avenue. I think I'll stop by there, right here. Yeah, I know this looks like a bleacher, but I'm going to repurpose that and make the back side my table and sit this way. See if I can stand my camera just like that. Cool. Alright, man. I'm hungry. I didn't have breakfast this morning, so let's do it. Fish sandwich, $2.75. And this coffee, this milk tea. The total is what, $4.50, so this is like $1.25. No. My math has gotten bad. $1.75. This milk tea is $1.75. It's gotten a little expensive. Okay. I thought it's $1.25 or something. So okay, whatever. Inflation, people gotta make money, all that. The fish is crispy and looks like they put spicy mayo in them. A little red, a little white. to cold sandwich, but you know what? I'm not complaining. Start lettuce and cucumber in the Asian bakery style sweet bread. I'm finishing this. This is good. But they should have labeled this a little spicy so that people know. Or maybe I just didn't pay attention to the label. Or maybe they should make a bigger label because the red stuff is definitely a little bit of sriracha. Just finished my sandwich. I can't say it's the best, but you know, to fill your stomach for not a lot of money. I mean, I've had food that's 4 times the price, but you know, gotta be flexible sometimes. And sometimes, you know, when you're out on the street and you don't know what to do, these are the things that fills you up and satisfies you. Comfort. I think that's what it. I think that's what it means. You know, I think comfort food. Right. All right. Well done. All right, let's jump over real quick. Ooh. Ooh, look at that top over there. Alright, so as we go up this path, we're going to meet a place, a street called Christina Boulevard. It's one of the major food fairs on the going north to south direction, straight through Flushing, starting from the Flushing Library. And I think it ends somewhere in Briarwoods or Jamaica. I'm probably going to take a bus there to go back. So, and I think I really should end the video here. So. Alright, so I'm going to speak my line. If you like more about the New York City explorations, especially in the outer boroughs, please subscribe and make sure you share and like the video if you haven't. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time.